Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and send intro on OkCupid. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply start our video for the matter. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna access our OkCupid. You can go ahead, open it in your mobile phone, access the app as well, or you can go to your browser section and type in cupid.com, okcupid.com, and then get logged in as well. So you can see I'm already here and I'm logged in, and here in this section you can see if this would be the home page that you will see first. If you tap on this heart icon on top, this will show you your likings, the profile that you have liked, the profile that you got like from, and plus you can see this option called intros, right? All of the interaction that you have will be over here and the intros that you have sent. So in like section, let's say this is the profile that we have liked. Once we tap on it, we can see this message button given below. If you tap on it, we will now be able to write something to send to the profile that we have liked. And for the notes section, you can say you can only send one initial message, so make it a good one. That's your first impression for them, and you can simply write it down, tap on the send, and that message will be sent to them. And once they have liked you back, then they will be able to get access to your intro that you have sent over there. So yes guys, this will be it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.